Hello, my dear friends. Once again, back with another job update. So, this job update is from Ajanta Pharma Ltd, as you already seen on the thumbnail. So, they are hiring for their manufacturing, quality control, and quality assurance departments for the role senior officer, officer or assistant officer, so associate or operator. So, coming to the qualification, the B.Pharm or M.Pharm is the qualification for officer or senior officer, assistant officer. 2 to 8 years of experience is required for manufacturing, so blister coating, packing, coating capsules, coating, compression, granulation is the knowledge required. And coming to the manufacturing, associate or operator, 10th, 12th plus 10th or 12th plus ITA or diploma mandatory. So 10th qualification required is 10th and 12 plus ITA or diploma. So experience required is 3 to 10 years of experience, good knowledge of granulation, compression, coating capsules, pellet coating, blister coating, and primary packing and secondary packing. So for quality control department, B.Sc, M.Sc, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, 2 to 8 years of experience. The role is analyst or reviewer. For QA, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, B.Sc or M.Sc, 2 to 8 years. Good knowledge of IPQA, validation, QMS, analytical QA, DRA section. So the walk-in is on 2nd July Sunday. The venue Hotel Silverleaf, plot number CM 14 and 15, Raghuveer Complex, opposite Vapi Industries Association Ground, Vapi. So, if you have already appeared for the interview in the last 6 months for the company, then you are not eligible. So, please stay away from that. So, they are currently hiring for their formulation facility at Dahej, Bharuch, Gujarat. So, my dear friends, please utilize the opportunity. Thank you for watching. Please share this update with your friends surrounding WAPI or interested to shift to WAPI. Thank you.